Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I want to give you guys a quick XRP breakdown because right now there is a lot of conversation out there about XRP being used in the US strategic reserve. There's a lot of combatants on X where is it a Bitcoin strategic reserve or is it a crypto strategic reserve that will feature American-made cryptos? We've heard kind of the rumblings that there will be no federal income tax for US-based cryptos. And that's something where XRP would directly benefit from and traders. However, I want to share with you guys my thoughts and viewpoints because you want to answer the question that if XRP becomes part of the U.S. strategic reserve in itself, how high must the price of XRP be to eliminate the U.S. national debt? I personally don't agree with this article and this analysis. Leave your thoughts and comments down below as we dive into this article from the Crypto Basic. Before we do, please remember, not financial advice. Also, do me a favor, if you like crypto and you like XRP, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and be sure to follow me on X at TCryptoMark. Completely free to do all those things. I appreciate you all tuning in, and let's get down into it, okay? First and foremost, I want to share with you guys the price. We've had all this rumbling about XRP, these developments, all bullish, right? The momentum is firmly in place, but the price of XRP still continues to fall. Right now, we trade at $3.12, down 1.1% on the day. But if you were a holder over the last year, you have made some significant gains trading and holding XRP. So shout out to all those people that withstood the SEC litigation, so on and so forth. Okay, but let's get back into this conversation, all right? Because there are a lot of discussions that XRP will be used to eliminate the U.S. national debt. Right now, that national debt sits at roughly $36.4 trillion. And to do this, we would need roughly about 37.7 billion XRP tokens to offset that debt. And that is something where it would have to be at a zero cost basis. I don't know why you would do that, because that would essentially mean that the United States would sell all their XRP, liquidate it, and use that to offset the debt, essentially bankrupting Ripple and XRP. Now, the FUD that we're reading on X is, okay, everybody's buying XRP, they're believing in Ripple. Ripple didn't buy any XRP, and what we're doing essentially is trading XRP for the benefit of Ripple, and they're selling, cashing out XRP to help their cause, but it's not doing anything where Ripple can still be Ripple, and they're essentially having this argument where, you know, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, all these big stocks, big companies, corporations, they have investors that invest into the company that see dividends, they see rewards, they see the price of their shares go up, and in turn, ultimately the company reinvests that money, they use that money. But within XRP, you're not buying Ripple, you're buying XRP tokens that essentially do nothing, and Ripple could survive without that, okay? And that's kind of the big storyline in the FUD behind XRP right now. And then now we couple that with the strategic reserve. None of this makes sense, right? We have probably the most bullish crypto environment, if you are a crypto holder, trader, investor, in the history of digital currency, but the price of everything right now is going down. So I think right now, in my personal opinion, the market is kind of very hesitant because of all of this volatility. This is all basically came out from thin air. Donald Trump was inaugurated, executive orders, and then boom, here we are, and everything is bullish, but crypto continues to go down. So none of it makes sense. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys figured it out, if you know exactly what's going on, because I'm kind of at a loss for words. I do hold a considerable amount of XRP still, but I don't agree with this as using XRP in the strategic reserve, because it does not really answer the question how this addresses anything, and ultimately through the avenues that Ripple would be using their escrow to eliminate or reduce the national debt for the United States, I don't know how that helps us as XRP investors. I really, truly don't. I think that would be, quite frankly, catastrophic because you would have to liquidate all that XRP to pay off the bills. So that's kind of where I'm at. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any kind of figuring of what this actually would do. But to take this suggestion into kind of a numbers perspective, it's $120 billion right now, okay? That is essentially the value at current levels of what their escrow wallets hold in XRP. To do this at a 37.7 billion token hit, roughly we would need to see XRP rise to a price of $965 to offset this national debt. From $3.20, I mean, that would be a 30,000+% increase. Notably, this is something where If we look at kind of the next 4 years for Donald Trump, this would be a compound annual growth rate of 316% over the next 4 years. Okay. That's all fine and dandy to put it in perspective in terms of what the numbers are, how it makes sense. But in all kind of, perspective that I want to have in actuality and how this actually takes place, I can't get there. All right, I can't get there. I'm bullish on XRP. I'm bullish on crypto in this moment in time with what Donald Trump's doing, but I just don't see how using the Ripple and XRP escrow accounts to offset the national debt would do anything positive for the price of XRP. Okay, that's kind of where I stand today. Let me know down below in the comments if you have any kind of insight you want to give me on this topic. I personally think this is, in some form or fashion, a very, very bearish outlook for XRP. I don't want to use XRP to settle the national debt. I want to use XRP to bolster Ripple's cause Ripple to be the leader in cross-border payments, and in turn make my XRP holdings go up in value. I don't see how the national debt plays a role in this. I'm at a loss for words personally. So like I said, guys, leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. But before exiting this video, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.